The business of building garden offices and sheds is booming, driven by the rise in remote working and the increasing desire for personal outdoor spaces. These versatile structures offer a unique blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal, serving as home offices, creative studios, storage spaces, and more. This report explores the key aspects of this growing industry, including market trends, business models, customer preferences, and the future outlook. Market trends. The garden office and shed industry has seen significant growth in recent years, fueled by several key trends. Remote work revolution. The COVID-19 pandemic accelerated the shift towards remote work, leading to a surge in demand for dedicated home office spaces. Garden offices offer a quiet, separate workspace away from the main living area. Home improvement boom. With more time spent at home, many people are investing in home improvements. Garden sheds and offices add value to properties and enhance living spaces. Sustainability. There is a growing interest in eco-friendly and sustainable living. Many garden office and shed businesses now offer products made from sustainable materials and with energy-efficient features. Business models. The business of building garden offices and sheds can follow several models, each with its own advantages and challenges. Custom builds, offering bespoke designs tailored to individual customer needs. This model allows for high customization but can be more time-consuming and costly. Modular designs, prefabricated units that can be easily assembled on site. These are often more cost-effective and quicker to install, but offer less customization. DIY kits, selling kits that customers can assemble themselves. This appeals to the DIY market and can reduce labor costs, but requires clear instructions and support. Hybrid models, combining elements of custom builds and modular designs, offering some degree of customization within a standardized framework. Customer preferences. Understanding customer preferences is crucial for success in this industry. Key factors influencing buying decisions include design and aesthetics. Customers look for structures that complement their garden and home. Modern, sleek designs are popular, but there is also demand for traditional and rustic styles. Functionality. The intended use of the garden office or shed influences the design and features. Home offices need insulation, lighting, and power outlets, while storage sheds require robust security and easy access. Quality and durability. Customers expect high-quality materials and construction that can withstand weather conditions and last for many years. Sustainability. Eco-friendly options such as sustainably sourced wood and energy-efficient features are increasingly important to consumers. Price. Cost remains a significant factor. While some customers are willing to pay a premium for high-quality, bespoke designs, others seek affordable, value-for-money options. Marketing and sales strategies. Effective marketing and sales strategies are essential to attract and retain customers in the competitive garden office and shed market. Online presence. A strong online presence, including a user-friendly website and active social media channels, is crucial. High-quality images, customer testimonials, and virtual tours can enhance appeal. Showrooms and exhibitions. Physical showrooms and participation in home and garden exhibitions allow potential customers to see and experience the products firsthand. Partnerships. Collaborating with landscapers, home improvement stores, and real estate agents can provide access to a broader customer base. Customer service. Offering excellent customer service, from initial consultation to after-sales support, builds trust and encourages word-of-mouth referrals. Challenges and opportunities. The garden office and shed business faces several challenges, but also presents numerous opportunities. Supply chain issues. Sourcing high-quality materials at a reasonable cost can be challenging, particularly with global supply chain disruptions. Seasonal demand. Demand can fluctuate with the seasons, peaking in spring and summer and slowing down in winter. Regulatory compliance. Navigating building regulations and obtaining necessary permits can be complex, especially for custom builds. Innovation. There are opportunities to innovate with new materials, smart technology integration, and multifunctional designs that cater to evolving customer needs. Future outlook. The future of the garden office and shed industry looks promising. Continued growth in remote work, coupled with a sustained interest in home improvement and sustainability, is likely to drive demand. Innovations in design and materials, along with effective marketing and customer engagement, will be key to capitalizing on this trend. Conclusion. The business of building garden offices and sheds is thriving, offering significant opportunities for growth and innovation. By understanding market trends, customer preferences, and effective business models, companies can successfully navigate this dynamic industry and meet the evolving needs of their customers. With the right strategies in place, the garden office and shed business can continue to flourish in the years to come. Check the link in the description for some super plans.